Hey guys, so this is how you're going to add a TXT record in Hostinger. First, you're going to log into your Hostinger account and then you're going to open the domain section. Just click on that from your left side panel. And then from here, you are going to find the domain that you want to add it or you want to add a TXT record to. So if you found it, you're going to click on manage from the right side, and then from here you can see the DNS/name servers on the right side or the right panel of your screen. You're gonna have to click on edit, and then from here you will see this manage DNS records section. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a record. So for this one, we're going to select TXT as the type. And then we're just going to add a name, we're going to add a txt value, and then we can leave the TTL at default, and then we're just going to click on add record. Now all that's left to do is to wait for the DNS propagation for the changes to apply. And that's it. That is how you're going to add TXT record in Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.